Hello my friend, in this tutorial I want to introducing a little about user interface in After Effects. Open it. I already opened and download the project from Adobe. You can download it. When you first go into the software, you are facing to this window. You can first we have to insert our assets or footage here. Any footage, any MP4 has a different dimension and properties. You can add a new composition in from scratch and select it. As you can see, you can change width and frame rate and any properties and hit OK, or you can insert a footage exactly at the dimension and properties of the assets. As you can see, the footage are here and you can import your sound, video, images here, and we have a composition. When you double click on the composition, it's going in this timeline. From here you can insert any of your, for example, logo, image and graphics here and control them in a timeline, animate them. The power of the After Effects is actually here. I'm going and open for a recent project. Okay, as you can see, this is musics and everything that we need insert here. For example, we can insert PSD or any composition in here. You can insert or create a lot of composition and insert them through each other and do interesting works. As you can see, for example, this logo is animated here, and this is an indicator in timeline. You can animate and animate your asset in the timeline. As you can see, you can insert any asset here. For example, if I select all of them and hit U and click U, all of the animated properties will be appear here. It's very confusing and difficult, but if you know, it's very easy. As you can see, for example, in this PNG logo, the scale properties is animated and keyframing here, or lots of assets here. Hitting U again. As you can see, for example, this PNG logo, if you click here, we have transform properties that scale is animated, or layer style or anything. You can animate and control them here, and the power of the After Effects is here in the timeline. We have a lots of tool here you can use, for example, text, camera for 3D camera or anything you need. We have lots of workspace here. You can change your workspace from window and workspace if you want to reset to the standard. We have preview information and preview panel here, and the important part of After Effects, effects and presets. Okay, you can access the preset here. We use a lot of them and explain them one by one. And here we can access the Cinema 4D, because you know the Maxon and Adobe are integrated and connected to each other, the software. Here you can click and drag and change the, maybe I explain them in detail. And we have lots of tools and settings here that I explain them next lesson. Stay tuned with us. We have an exciting and in detailed tutorial about After Effects. And also we have lots of settings and tools in these menus. Stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.